Alright guys, welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about the Magic Newton latest update. Alright, so if you join us while we were actually participating, or the first time that I first introduced this airdrop to you guys, then you must have completed a lot of tasks, and right now you are ready to do this latest update that's up right now, which I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to complete. Alright, so to participate on the Magic Newton is very easy. Check out the video description to get the link to the airdrop. Also, coming over here to the Magic Newton, you can see there are a lot of ways to earn from here, which we have the main quest and the side quest. We also have the roller, which is where you actually roll a dice, and of course you will get some points for doing that. But coming over here to the quest, when you click over here guys on the explore quest, you can see right here that we have actually done a lot of things right here, but we still have new ones available right here, which you need to come and complete. But most importantly, when you click over here right now on the side quest, you can see we have all these ones completed, but we have the referral right here, and we also have the connect your guild. All right, so when you look over here, you can see that this is coming soon, meaning that it is not yet the time for us to actually connect our guild account. But before that, before you can then connect your guild account, or before they activate the connection, there are certain things that you need to do right now on your guild account concerning this Magic Newton, which is going to be making you eligible or qualifying you to actually get the airdrop from the Magic Newton. All right, so check out the link on the video description box. I'm going to be dropping the link to the guild account where you are going to be required to actually claim the good NFT right here. Okay, so to be able to claim the good NFT, it is very simple. Remember, all the links are going to be on the video description box. But if this is the first time you are hearing about the Magic Newton, you are not yet late into this project yet. Just make sure you check out the video description to get the link to where you are going to be participating on the airdrop. It is very simple and way too easy, just like I'm doing it right now. So coming over here right now to this place on the guild account where you need to complete some few tasks to get this good NFT. What you are required to do right here is simply for you to actually like a post on Twitter, follow Magic Newton on Twitter, then have the initiate role on the Magic Newton server. This is very easy. So what I need to do from here right now is simply click on like this post. When you click on it like this, you are going to be taken to the X account where you need to actually like their post. Okay, so right now we wait for it to open up real quick, and once it is done opening up, then we go ahead and like their post. All right, so over here guys, this is their post right here. I need to click on like to actually like their post. Then I need to head back right here, and of course we are now done with this one. Then we need to follow them on Twitter. You click on it right this. Okay, just allow it to load up real quick. Then we are going to be following them on Twitter, though I think I followed them already, so I will click on follow to follow them right now. I'm following them. Okay, so what I need to do from here is simply go back right now to the guild account where we need to actually do some few things before you can be able to claim the NFT. So over here guys, you can see we have now done all these because initially I have already gotten my initiate rule on the Discord. If you haven't gotten the initiate rule on Discord, all you have to do is simply join the Discord server, verify yourself, then the initiate rule will be yours immediately. So it's very simple. But before you can be able to claim this NFT, please if this is the first time you are coming across our channel, please do well to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated regularly. Also check out the video description to see the link to our Telegram. Join us on Telegram to stay updated regularly on all things crypto. So with that being said, let's now continue the video. So once that is done, then you go ahead and of course click on collect now. But we need to check right here. You can see we have only 3 days left before we can then miss this opportunity. So what we need to do from here is simply make sure that you claim this. If you're seeing this update right now, rush right now and do yours. All right, so we go ahead and of course click on collect now. So this is going to be popping up our metamask wallet where we need to actually approve for us to be able to claim this NFT. So right now guys, you can see our metamask wallet has just popped up right now, and we need to actually confirm this claim. Coming over here right now, you can see you are going to need 2 pool, which is matic. You are going to need 2 pool before you can be able to claim this NFT. 2 pool is equivalent to around $0.5. This is almost nothing. Okay, so you go ahead and of course click on confirm so that you can be able to claim this NFT. So far you can see our transaction is currently being processed on the blockchain, and right now you need to wait a little bit, and you can see you will get the Newtonian good. Okay, and over you can see successfully collected this NFT. So this is what you need to do right now for you to position position well for the magic Newton airdrop. So if you haven't started yet, start right now and make sure you grab this opportunity so that you won't be missing out on all the airdrop that you have been coming across. All right, so this is a little update that I have for you right now. Remember, all the links are going to be on the video description box. Check out the video description box to get all the link and get started with this magic Newton airdrop today. Thank you, and more updates will be shared right here. Make sure you are following us, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that will be dropping very soon.